In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived emails in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged in to your account. And once you're inside your inbox, look at the left sidebar menu, scroll down, and click More to expand the full list of labels. After expanding the menu, click All Mail. This section shows every email in your account, including messages that have been archived. If you want to quickly filter out emails that are not in your inbox, click into the search mail bar at the top of the screen, type label.inbox and press Enter. This will help you identify emails based on their label status so you can narrow down your results. Scroll through the list to locate the archived email you're looking for. Remember, archived emails do not appear in the inbox but are still stored in All Mail. Once you find the email you want to restore, click the checkbox to the left of that message. Then go to the top horizontal toolbar and click the Move to Inbox icon, which looks like a folder with a downward arrow. This will move the email back into your main inbox. To confirm, click the Inbox tab in the left sidebar and verify that the email has reappeared there. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.